Google Compute Engine, your key to unlimited virtual power. Hey there, fellow computing enthusiasts. Are you ready to jump into the amazing world of virtual machines? Well, I've got the perfect topic for you, Google Compute Engine. This powerhouse of cloud computing allows you to unleash customized virtual machines on a global scale, revolutionizing how you build and deploy applications. What exactly is Google Compute Engine? Picture Compute Engine as your own personal data center in the cloud, but without all the headaches of managing physical hardware. It's a service provided by the tech giant Google, known as Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, and it's part of their incredible Google Cloud platform. Here's the deal. Compute Engine lets you create virtual machines, VMs, tailored to your every need. Think of them as software-based computers that run on Google's top-notch infrastructure, just like your laptop or desktop, only way more powerful and way more flexible. Why you should be excited about Compute Engine? Let's talk about the why. Why should Compute Engine make your tech-loving heart beat faster? Well, for starters, customization is king. Need a machine with 128 cores and a terabyte of RAM? No problem. How about a graphics-intensive beast for machine learning workloads? Done. You're not limited to preset packages, the virtual hardware possibilities are nearly endless. Scalability at your fingertips. Imagine your project suddenly needs 10 times the computing power. With Compute Engine, you can scale up, or down, in a matter of minutes. No hardware purchases or lengthy installations needed. Global reach. Google's infrastructure spans the planet. Launch your virtual machines in the region closest to your users, ensuring lightning-fast response times and that super smooth experience that everyone craves. Pay for what you use. Gone are the days of investing in expensive hardware that might sit idle. Compute Engine has per-second billing, so you only pay for the precise amount of computing you consume. Real-world use cases. Alright, let's cut the tech jargon and see how Compute Engine works its magic in the real world. Web hosting. Imagine building a website or web app that experiences huge traffic spikes. Compute Engine lets you spin up extra VMs to handle the load, then scale them back down afterwards. Super cost-effective, super adaptable. Big data and analytics? Got massive datasets to crunch? Fire up those high-memory VMs designed specifically for data processing and let Compute Engine power through your analysis. Game development. Need a worldwide network of beefy servers to run your new online gaming sensation? Compute Engine has your back with scalable infrastructure and the ability to add GPUs for those top-tier graphics. Scientific research. If you're running simulations, modeling, or other compute-intensive tasks, Compute Engine's high-performance VMs can turn days of processing into hours. Getting started, it's easier than you think. Google has made getting started with Compute Engine surprisingly straightforward. Here's the gist. A Google account. If you have Gmail, you already have one. If not, it's simple and free to sign up. Create a project. Projects are like containers in the Google Cloud platform where you organize your resources. Spinning up a VM, choose your desired machine type, general purpose, memory optimized, you name it, an operating system, Linux or Windows, and a region for your VM. Connect and conquer, access your VM through SSH, Linux, or RDP, Windows, install your software, and let the magic happen. Compute Engine, your ticket to the cloud. Think of your creativity as the pilot and Compute Engine as the high-performance aircraft. You can focus on your project and soar to unimaginable heights, while Google handles all the under-the-hood complexities of infrastructure. It's the key to building incredible applications and services without the limitations of traditional hardware. Want to dive deeper into the world of Compute Engine mastery? Subscribe to our channel for even more tips and insights. Let's explore everything this amazing technology has to offer together.